My intuition is telling me that.
What's up, Amazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova haul in my new filming area, I guess you should say. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, the first thing I'm going to try on is this little number right here. So this is the Fearless Love Ruched mini dress, and I got this in a size large. So let's try her on. Okay, so here is the ruched mini dress. I love anything with ruching. I think it's very flattering. You definitely can't wear a bra with this. I've actually been trying to stray away from outfits that you can't wear a bra with, but this dress was just too cute to pass up. Yeah, it does have a lining on the inside, and it's not like super tight to where I can't breathe, but it is very form-fitting still. Yeah, I'm liking it. Alright, next. Alright, we have this jumpsuit here, and this is the Commulator wide leg jumpsuit, and I got this in a size large. As you can see, the legs are extremely wide, and oh, here's another one you probably can't wear a bra with. I'll have to see. Alright, but yeah, let me try it. Okay, so yeah, you most likely wouldn't be able to wear a bra with this unless it's a strapless like plunge, and even then I'm not sure, just because it has this opening right here. But I don't care because I am so in love with this jumpsuit. Oh my gosh, I think it is just so sexy and flattering, and I'm in love. The legs are huge, but I think it almost makes it look kind of like a maxi dress, how wide they are. The only thing is I wish there was pockets. It almost feels like there is going to be, but it doesn't have pockets. So here is the back, and let me try and give you guys a closer picture of the bottom. If you're someone who is short, you would definitely have to get these hemmed because they are a little long on me, and I'm 5'10". So yeah, just to keep that in mind, but I am in love. Alright, next I have a pair of jeans. So these are the Janelle high waist trouser flare jean, and I got them in a size 11. So for, I can't remember how long, I've really only bought like skinny leg jeans, but I'm getting back into liking flares. So I ordered these, and I'm going to try it on with this top I got, and this is the Love Up On Me top, and I got this in a size large. So I'm really excited to see how these are. Okay, so here is the outfit, and I am obsessed with this as well. So the straps are adjustable, which I do appreciate because this top would have not fit properly if I wasn't able to make them longer. And I am tall, so it is a little short on me, but I was expecting that, which is why I wanted to pair it with high waist pants. And these jeans are super comfortable. So they have 2 buttons here. They don't have any pockets in the front, but they do have them in the back. And these jeans are more on the stretchy side as opposed to like the stiff kind, which I prefer. They're very comfortable. They fit perfectly. They are a perfect length for me, but like I said, I am tall. So I think this is just like the cutest outfit for spring and summer. So another shirt I'm going to try on with these jeans is this one right here. So this is the Simple Perfection twist back top in white. So let's see what she looks like. I was worried when I first saw this that I wasn't going to be able to wear a strapless bra with it, but actually you can't see the strapless bra, which is great. So I know it's supposed to be off the shoulders, but it's pretty loose, like it's almost about to fall down. And it's not the most flattering. Maybe if I were to pair it with a belt or something, but it's definitely very comfortable. So I'm gonna try on, I got a hoodie, I'm just gonna try it on with this. So it's a pink Zip Up Hoodie, and on the back it says, "You have reached a number that is disconnected." I'm horrible about checking my phone, and like I'm an introvert, like so there's days where I don't even look at my phone at all. So I thought this was very appropriate for me. And then it has little hearts down the sleeve. It's very soft, very comfortable. It does have pockets. Hallelujah. I mean, is a hoodie really a hoodie if it doesn't have pockets? Alright, and the last item I am so excited to try on. I saved the best for last. Hopefully. I haven't tried it on, so not sure yet. This is so adorable. Alright. It is the Not Like the Other Girls mini dress, and I got this in a size large. So let's try it. This dress is fire. Oh my gosh. So it's another one you definitely cannot wear a bra with, and it is sheer up here. So I would have to wear like my bunny ears type of bra, and it is pretty tight. If you're in between sizes, I would recommend going a size up. I almost need a size up, but I mean, I guess that's what Spanx are for. So, this is just so freaking sexy. And here is the back. And this did come in black or like the cognac color. I have so much black, so I figured I'd go for something different, but I am loving it. It is lined on the bottom. It has a little slip. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. The jeans and the white top are probably my favorite out of all the items I got. Let me know what's your favorite pieces down in the comments below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this Fashion Nova haul. I will see you next time.